Hello, my name is James, and today we are gonna get the Sneedy Twister from Silverlit. It comes with a stunt ramp, 2 spare tires, and a controller. And when the car is doing stunts, we can feel the controller shaking. Now let's take another look out of the box. This is it out of the box. This is the instructions. This is the stunt ramp. This is the extra tires. We're gonna do stunts with your car. And these tires go on the back of the car. This is the car. It has 2 sides. It has a black and red side and a silver and gold side. There's 3 different colors to connect, and we can race up to 10 cars. This is the controller. This is controlling the car. This is high gear and low gear. And these are an on and off switch. This is a flipping system, so if your car flips, it can continue going forward. We'll both try out here, and then we'll turn off your car. Then we'll plug it in. Then it dances. A green light comes on when it dances. Now we'll unplug it. Then we'll put it back where it needs to go. Then we'll turn on the car. I want to show how fast this car can go. It can go over 20 feet in 1 second. 3, 2, 1. I hope you liked my photos and videos. Thanks for watching. See you later.